Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the Files app, which is this folder right here. And from there, when you scroll down on the list, you'll have the internal and SD card. So choose whichever one you want. Now let me just quickly check, because I believe there will be probably a different way of this being displayed depending on how you hold the device. So let's just unlock it and see if I flip it over. Oh, it still shows the panel on the side. So yeah. So from there, you want to find whatever file it is that you want to move. Now if it's photos or videos that you have captured with the device, they will be under the DCIM right here, along with screenshots. So there's no photos in here. There's one screen recording, and there's a couple screenshots, as you can see. And apart from that, if we go back to the internal storage, you also have the applications right here, so like ArtFlow for drawing. I believe probably Adobe will have some too. Alarm, Android, or maybe not. Downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded through the web, or your emails and stuff like that. You have movies, music, usually place it there yourself, so you should probably know that it's in there. You have pictures, and it looks like Adobe saves it in here, so you can see there's Adobe stuff here. And then you have podcast, ringtones, Samsung. That's about it from here. Now the same folder structure will be created in here if you choose to have it your device to save it to the SD card. So if you don't see your files on the internal, they will be most likely in here. But as you can see, I do not have anything here. So let's go to DCIM. That's where I have most of my stuff, and we're gonna, or at least I'm gonna move a couple of screenshots. So to select them, what you want to do is hold, and it will pop up with this kind of check mark, and you can then tap on additional ones to add them on. You can also tap right here to select all. If you have a lot of photos, you can just tap and they will all be selected at once. Or you can also go back, and where you have the screenshots folder along with the 3 items that it has inside, you can simply select the folder itself like so, along with all of its content. And from there, you can choose copy or move. Now, if you do it this way or select the files themselves, you'll still have the same options once something is selected. So choose whatever you want, either to move or copy. I'm gonna go with move, and this will completely move it to a new location. And we're moving it from where it is right now, while copy will just create an additional set of the same files. So from here, I'm gonna go to the SD card, just so I move it to a completely different storage. And I can keep it organized and drop it to DCIM, just to, like I said, keep it organized, or I can drop it wherever I want in the card itself. So once I found a place, I tap move here, and that's about it. Now we can see that there are the pictures, I believe it was. Oh, there it is at the bottom, screenshots. And there are the files that were inside of the folder as well. So that is how you would move or copy any kind of file from your device to a SD card or vice versa. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.